This is Radio X, Erdos' favorite station for the best music and the best content coming out of Pitt Novus. I am your host this afternoon, Athena Galloway, and I'll be discussing the recent treaty between Mercia and Erdos with the Erdos Council speaker, Donovan Ross. So, Donovan, tell me about the treaty. Where will Mercians be living since their planet suffered such a devastating nuclear winter from Kolya's final solution?
Well, Athena, I can honestly say, the war cost the human race a piece of itself, and in order for it to be returned to us, we must make peace with those who were led astray. Mercia is a nation who was blinded by the ambitions of a man who claimed to be a god. If he couldn't rule humanity, he wanted to take humanity to his grave with him. I think this treaty will be a big step towards peace in our time.
In your opinion, do you believe it is wise to house the same people who supported the death of all Erdians everywhere?
My opinion does not matter. What matters most is healing. The Mercians who wanted us all dead, I believe, are gone. We ensure that our administration lives in harmony with its people, and if it means making peace with our enemy, then so be it.
Well, Donovan, it's definitely something to think about. That's for sure. We will have more coming up after our station identification.
The end of civilization is here.
We're self-important nihilists.
Well, according to your marketing.
Alternative Radio X.
Hi, I'm Cameron Hendrickson, the CEO of Percival Pharmaceuticals. Have you ever wondered about your safety? Having Mercians roaming here on our fair planet can be scary, but don't you worry. My company has been working on a chip that will definitely put your fears at ease. It's called the ARID, or the Erdos Radio Identification Device. This small, tiny chip can detect where Mercians are at any moment and can alert law enforcement to danger almost immediately. Rest assured, while our war with them is over and we want to help them rebuild their world, we do so with eyes wide open and under guard, so feel free to sign up to be one of the first to receive this brand new mark, and you will never have to worry about Mercians ever again.
None of that rap crap.
Word.
I got a word for you, homie.
Radio X. Think this is the very best music throughout recorded history? Should just jump off a bridge and die. Alternative Radio X.
Hello, Erdos. That traffic has go to be a nightmare coming out of downtown. Watch out for that pedestrian running along the HOV lanes like a crazy madman. The mayhem has caused backups on the freeway all the way to the Smith Street Bridge. Our weather remains the same, with the heat wave continuing to be a problem for the most sensitive of our community. We definitely need the rain, and by the looks of it, we will see storms likely by Friday, breaking the drought and helping our hydroponic system throughout the valley. Now on to some breaking news to tell you about. A fugitive who broke out of Narramath prison 2 years ago was found in Brevchek City wreaking havoc in the downtown area there. Wearing what looks to be Mercian battle armor, it took Marshal Kylie Caruso and her team of Iron Guard Marines to stop him. We will have more details as the day progresses on Pitt Novus's flagship station, Radio X.
You're listening to Radio X, the birthplace of modern rock
and fundamental social upheaval.
Are you looking for the best social media platform? Then sign up for FetchMe and get a 20% discount on all AI modifications to your social media avatar. So, why don't you sign up and meet a friend today?
If the police can't stop you, you must be on
Radio X.
toxic. You cling to the air. I feel you, but you brought me back down, and so I need you. And I notice when you're not around. When I'm in ecstasy. I'm
that you ever do will ever mean anything. We're the only identity you've got. Alternative Radio X.
Su'uwu, the word on the street in Pitt Novus is we are getting a new cybermart. I mean, what kind of stuff is this company gonna sell us? Rumor has it mods for our hand devices and our data pads. I mean, what kind of modifications do we actually need? I feel content with what we got anyhow. But hey, let's plug and play our techno revolution, shall we? This is Athena Radio X.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
We're at the end of the alphabet, people.
X.
That's got to mean something, but we don't know what.
So, I've been thinking about all the crazy things that have been happening in our fair city lately. You know, the disbanding of the police department for the Rangers, the loss of our beloved president, Luan Gurung, the rise of President Glenn and her enigmatic vice president, Katya Drunsky. Curious that. What do we know of Katya? Radio X sources tell us she used to be the head of the Erdos Security Administration, a center of cutting-edge intelligence and technology. As the voters confirmed the roles of these two figures in our leadership, we are curious to know, are we in the right hands? This is Athena Galloway, and you are listening to Pitt Novus's flagship station, Radio X,